How to add custom backgrounds in iMessage iOS 26. Let's get started with the upgrade to iOS 26. Now you can set custom backgrounds in iMessage. So, launch your iMessage, navigate to the conversation where you want to add a custom background. After you open it, click on the username. Now you're going to find this option of backgrounds. Click on that. Now here you're going to find different options. Select the option photo. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, select the picture that you want to use for the background and click on it. Now you can zoom in or zoom out the picture. Once you do that, now you can select a filter for the background as well. Just swipe to the right and select the preferred effect. And once you do that, click on this option given at the top right, the tick mark. With that, the background will be set. You can head back and check. So, this is how you can add custom backgrounds in iMessage. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.